Welcome back. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you, both my old and my new subscriber. Thank you all so much for your support. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing Nigerian brand makeup products. This product was actually sent to me by One Tall Black Chick. I call her One Tall Black Chick. She actually go by the Tall Black Chick on YouTube. She sent all these products on my way, and I was so happy when I received it. I already opened the first box that it came with, like the first package, but I was like, oh no, I'm just gonna wait till I unbox like what is inside the main bag in the front of the camera. I'm super excited to do this. All right, and also I'm going to be using this opportunity to quickly introduce this necklace that I have on my neck to you all. This is a letter necklace. They have from A to Z. You can find them on Amazon. I'll put a link on the description box just in case if you're interested. This company sent this product to me to try, and this is actually my first day of trying it, so I said why not let you guys know about it. The packaging is beautiful. It came in this pouch. All right, it came in this pouch and it's just easy to put. They said what was written on the package was stainless steel. I don't know what that meant. Maybe it's not going to get rusted, or it's not going to change. Maybe it's not going to change color. I don't know. But you all know that if it does change color, I will let you guys know. It might not be a video. It might just be in one of my capture on Instagram. I might just put it on and let you guys know that, okay, this is stainless steel. It's still rocking. It's still shiny. It's still golden. So I will let you know. But if it turns otherwise at the same time, I will let you all know. So if you know you're going to be interested, they have letter from A to Z. You can check them out on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be.
And if today is your first time coming across my channel, please forget to subscribe. If you like my content, if you like me, please forget to let me comment in the comment section as well. Let me know you talk about this video, and without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into today's video. Before I move into the unboxing of the Nigerian makeup products, I actually received this product from Modella Sims. She's also a YouTuber. She sent this product to me. It was during my birthday, so I consider it to be a birthday gift. A full gift. She sent Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, of course, the His Drop blurring skin tints. That was the first gift I received in the package. And also she sent this Good Apple by Kat Von D. It's a foundation. It's called Foundation Balm. I haven't tried it, and this came also, and also this Giorgio Armani Eyes to Kill mascara. Thank you so much, Modella Sims. If you're watching this video today, I appreciate you, sis. Thank you so much. God bless you. So let's jump into the Nigerian makeup product I'm about to unbox. So this was the first one. This one contains our addresses, so I already took that out, and also it came like this. So I'll go ahead and open it, then we'll see what we have. It's a little bit heavy. I'm so excited. Let's see what we have in this box. The Tall Black Chick actually did amazing packaging. Look at that. I thought that was the end of the packaging, but after I open it, this is another thing I have to open. So we just go ahead and do that right now. The Tall Black Chick, she's on YouTube as well. Please go check her out and give her some love. She has so many amazing makeup tutorial on her channel, so many amazing content of vlog of where she has visited, and she does colorful makeup. If you're into that, please check her out. She blended her eyeshadow like seamlessly. All right, so the first thing I pick is called Zickel Even True. I don't know if this is a foundation, but I'll go ahead and quickly show you all. Okay, I'm super excited. Oh, this is a foundation. This is 25 mocha. So it comes like this in this package, like this. This bottle cover, it's Zickel foundation. It has an SPF 30, which is an amazing thing in foundation. It's pro coverage, high definition, matte poreless. All right, so that's the first thing in there. So this is Second Skin HD lightweight waterproof full coverage concealer. This is also by Ezekiel. And also I think she sent me 2 shades in case one doesn't work. This is nude and the other shade is called caramel. So those are the 2 shades. They are all, both of them are concealer. You know, if one doesn't work, one would actually work, and we know I will mess it up. So the next thing here is Rascal Rabbits Lily Rose Natural Spray Evaporizer, or what is written on, I can't even tell. Oh, this is a perfume. I remember she said that Maya, our best friend, I don't know, yeah, I consider her best friend because I see them a lot. I know she has a lot of amazing ladies that she goes around with her friends. So I think Maya sells perfume. This is so gorgeous. Look at that. And very, very girly. Yeah, very, very feminine. Oh, it smells so good. Wow, this smells so good. It smells like a powdery baby-like kind of fresh scent. That's what I'm getting from that. So I'll go ahead and open the next one. Avenger. Oh, this is for my kids. Actually, I got a message from her that she said they put some perfume there for my kids. You know, I have 3 boys, and this is for one of them. This is Avengers at Midnight Euros perfume for my little ones. Oh wow. Oh, this is another one. This is Spicy perfume. Of course, Spider-Man cartoon character. Those are the perfume. They're cartoon characters. That is so amazing. And the next thing is this perfume, Almas. I don't know what, I've not seen this brand before, but I can't wait to try it. Yeah, I love the packaging. Let me go ahead and open this. The other ones I can quickly open it because they are for my kids. You know, I just want to give them in the bottle without opening the bottle. Let's see. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. Look at that packaging. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. I love white and gold. Oh my god, it smells so good. I like the smell, and the packaging is beautiful. This smells like it had the scent of something that will stay on you like for hours, that you don't have to reapply. It smells good. I love it. Thank you so much, the Tall Black Chick and Maya. I appreciate you for sending these amazing gifts my way. So for my little ones, the packaging is beautiful too. This is Spicy perfume. Oh, Spidey, I'm sorry, I don't know why I say Spicy. Spidey perfume. Of course, because I saw Spider-Man there, I should have thought about that. So yeah, look at that, Spidey perfume. The packaging is beautiful too. Yeah, I'll go ahead and quickly open the other one. This is beautiful too. This is the Avenger. They both have the same similar packaging. They just have different color. The content inside the bottles are just different color. Alright, and it smells differently too. I can, without even spraying it, bringing it out, I can really tell that they smell differently. Alright ladies, this is the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.